Scramble, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Generating my force by doing this. Try to do that. Keep the arms like that. That circle in the arms. Yeah, I see that. Keep going in. Bring them down. Yeah. Another eye. Boom, boom, boom.
Good job.
Begin.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm gonna solve it.
It's okay. Finally, huh?
Yeah.
Don't do it too fast.
No, because I was just trying to get the thing into place. Because this cap was weird. Am I ever gonna get a right side? Then that'll be a little bit easier. Oh, at least that ended okay.
Just concentrate.
Okay, so now, oh yeah. So we'll just
Be careful so that it doesn't pop out, okay?
Yay, I finally got it. Now let's see. So now I need to find if any of these are good. Okay, that's good.
Don't break it, okay? Slower.
So now we need to do the algorithm. Yeah, good. Yes. What was it? Oh yeah. 1, 2, down there. 1, 2.
Show it. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Gavin. All these months, 2 months straight, right? Show it. Oh, I'm so proud of you. I can't imagine how hard it is.
It is very hard.
I watch you every day. I can't even, my brain doesn't work that way, unfortunately. I'm very, very proud of you. 8 years old. Solve the Rubik's Cube.